Okay guys, this is Richard from Tech. Right, this is going to be an unboxing of a new CPU cooler I bought. It is for my mother's computer because her computer is running about 60 degrees on idle. Now I've tried changing the thermal paste, that doesn't seem to really work. It only actually lowers the temperature by a few degrees, but it's one of them things. It's got a stock AMD cooler, so I bought this one, and the reason I bought it was because it looked weird. Now I've looked on this, it's called a Hyper. It's a hyper flow cooler. Now I've actually never seen one of these types of coolers before. Now the thing with this one is the surface area. This is what I wanted. Now this is what it is. It's a 92mm fan, but look at the block. Look at that aluminium block. It's huge. Look at it. Now that's going to dissipate a lot of heat. Now I might actually cable tie 120 to this because I don't think it's going to be big enough. But considering that my mother's computer is running at stupid degrees, about 50 to 60 degrees at idle. Now that's nothing at all working on it. That's literally at idle, which is about 52 degrees at idle, and once you start using it, it goes up to about 70. Now that's light workloads. That is basically like opening up Chrome. Now yes, there is a limitation with the RAM, but that wouldn't spike the CPU usage. So I'm going to be upgrading it from 4 to 8 gigs of RAM, DDR3. But I thought I've been looking for coolers on eBay now, and obviously it's the size more than anything. I wanted something low profile. It's very, very low profile. So have a look, is it? Right, as you can see, there, right. Fin dimension 80 times 80, 15.5 millimeters. So I mean cooler dimension, which is 106 times 80 times 35 millimeters. That's the length, width and height. Now it's aluminium scathed fin, so it should be alright. Now yeah, the air pressure and the airflow is not bad, especially for that. But the bearings, it's a 12 volt, you know, that type of thing. But noise, 20 to 23 decibels. It's actually not bad. The actual current one is doing about 40 decibels, and that's like literally fully blown. Now this one, yeah, the stock AMD cooler's got an aluminium block in it, but the block is about that high. Now if anyone's actually watched the Linus Tech Tips video, it doesn't matter how high the cooler is, it stops at a certain point from the temperature. So I thought perhaps low profile, but perhaps a meaty type of cooler, you know, more fin density. The fin density on the stock cooler is quite crap. So I mean it's a lot thicker than this, but I just thought, you know, it's small form factor. I thought I'd give it a go. And to be honest, I actually like the look of it. It is very unique. I mean, you don't see a lot of coolers like this except for like a Noctua cooler, which this is actually the same design they use, the Noctua. The Noctua ones are similar to this aluminium block, but they got one of their fans on top, and obviously, but yeah, I just thought I'd do a video of this, doing a little unboxing and overview. I mean, you know, I'm still waiting on Red Dragon to get back to me on the new 907 gaming mouse launch. I'm still waiting for a review sample. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And this is Richard from Tech. Boom, boom, which is bye. So that is Richard from Tech. Now, I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. This is Welshie out. Bye.